this business idea to create electric boxes. These electric boxes will help men achieve orgasm without stress. You know, life is hectic for the cosmopolitan man.
Have you encountered any extraterrestrial being?
Well, no.
Do you believe they exist?
I wouldn't say they exist because there's not been any scientific proof of their existence. And at the same time, I wouldn't say they don't exist. I would say for now that I'm uncertain of their existence.
Plans for the future?
I'm interested in partnering with the Nigerian government in finishing the building of the Nigerian Moon Space Quarter before 2070. Also, I would want to be an advocate for the improvement of science, mathematics and technology studies in our schools. So in the next 20 years, we would not have to contract our space missions to other nations